track mode. All gears on. This nigga's first time in fucking... Your first time driving the car and track, being in the car and track mode. It's a 21-minute drive to get there. We can beat that. Get there in like 5. Am I tweaking?
Who the fuck you think you is?
I feel like Lightning McQueen type shit. $5 worth of gas doing that. $5 worth of gas right there. What'd you say?
Make that shit a TikTok. Fuck a video.
How SRT Zoo $5 for 5 seconds.
Fuck a, what you want? You smell your tires, nigga?
That shit was burning. I want to launch this shit, but I don't want to do it on the, I don't know when the light going. If I knew the light was gonna go, I'm gonna launch them again. It's J neighborhood. I hope nobody call me. It's an old lady. Let's race, nigga. Fuck. We made fuck it, bro. Fuck it. I was gonna wash the car, but I forgot. Fuck it. You weren't mommy after we passed it. I didn't either, that's what I'm saying.
I thought you were just saying fuck it.
I want to get a line up with me. Test my. I want to get a line up with me and test my gangster today.
You want to get a what with you?
I want someone to line up with me and test my gangster. Like really like this.
Bro, niggas not beat. No, I ain't gonna lie. I raced in my mother car, bro. Niggas not. When it come to races, I don't give no fucks. It's either you and me, bitch. We gonna go one way or another, nigga. I'm
gonna rev up the next one and be like, "What's up, nigga? Line up. Green light, go."
Green light, go, nigga.
Should push you back in your seat.
No cap. Get your ass back, nigga.
Put your damn seatbelt on, shit. Taking my kid to school and put your seatbelt on. No, that nigga, I hit the brake on his dumb ass.
Daddy, I'm sorry. Look at a nigga that niggas fucking up the grind, nigga.
Dead ass, like fuck.
Little grainy ass driving and shit.
Damn it!
You gotta do this shit out like nighttime.
It is, I know.
That's why you need to calm down.
Nah, that's like I'm going fast, but it's not like like pull him over. You know what I'm saying? there on video. But I don't want to go. I don't want to get pulled over. I'd rather cars be here so I don't gotta speed. I just want to cut up. Cause I was just going 80. I really could went like 180 right here. That's a ticket out there. That's my license right there.
That shit nice. And you the nigga. You ain't even gonna say that. You just go ahead and take it.
What do you argue with the cop? What do you argue with? You got it. You pulled me over.
Listen, officer.
To be honest, I wouldn't even stop at that point.
Right.
At that point, you might as well don't even stop, nigga, because you know you're gonna lose your license.
You just gotta do a little officer. There's nobody in front of me. I was just. I'm doing
a POV. Like, come on.
I just wanted to hear how that bitch sound, officer. You know what I'm saying? And if you, I was like, ugh.
I just straight piped it. Come on, man.
So he'd have felt bad. He was like, I'm a little officer. You want to get in and feel this shit? Like,
couple little test drive. Come risk it all, nigga. You never went 180 before.
Definitely got that shit in that comment.
What the shit? You got?
Yeah,
that shit's free.
You know what I'm saying?
Now I'm about to put this shit in stick shift.
You know how to drive stick shift?
Paddles.
You know how to drive paddles?
I'm decent with it. I'm decent with it.
Yeah, what does that do?
I wanna see. Paddle, I'm not great with it. Like, I learned on my BMW, but I wasn't no master.
So what does it do?
It's supposed to like make it pop more, but it already pops as it is. So I don't know the true purposes in paddles. I honestly don't, because I know like automatic's better than paddles nowadays. I'm up too many gears. That's what it is. Lane's gonna be boring though.
Oh, you gonna go to left and come back right?
I cut off, okay. My way, big ass butt, like come on. I'm in gear 6 and shit.
Right there, you're supposed to take it.
I'm already up. Come on, yo, geek ass challenger, nigga. I'm gonna fuck with them. camera wasn't recording, I'd be so fucking tight right now.
That's recording.
It is. I just wasted 40 miles.
You think you got enough fucking video?